Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be showing you this easy St. Patrick's Day nail design. So here I have my nails prepped, filled, and ready to go. And as you can see, I have chopped down my length quite a bit. They were getting very long with the stilettos, but don't worry, the stilettos will be back. I'm enjoying this shorter kind of medium coffin for a little bit. This first color I'm going to start out with is Madame Glam's I Lime You. This is from their newest macaroon collection. If you have not seen swatches of that collection, definitely go check out my video. I love this collection. I had one color on each hand and then also a different color on my toes from this collection. That's how much I enjoyed this collection. So I'm going to paint this shade on all of my nails except my ring finger. Then the shade we're going to use for my ring finger is Peppermint Kiss. This was from their February Jackpot collection. I will leave a link to that video as well. But this is a mint holographic green shade and it's called Peppermint Kiss. So I thought it would be perfect for St. Patrick's Day. So this is the shade going on my ring finger. And I go ahead and do a second coat of both of these shades. I absolutely love how the base colors came out on their own with just all I Lime You and then the accent of the green hollow. It looks really pretty, and I don't normally wear a lot of green nails, but I am into this color. Next, we're going to take Light Elegance's Creative Chaos. This was from their spring collection as well. It is this iridescent jelly green glitter that I basically said I almost hated. And Sherry has challenged me to use this in a St. Patrick's Day set. And so here it is. Shout out to Sherry. Thank you for always challenging me. If anyone else wants to challenge me on another shade that I have not been a fan of, definitely let me know. But I'm going to go ahead and do a glitter fade on my thumb, my pointer finger, and my pinky. Next, I'm going to be taking these striper gel art brushes from Jelly Nails to do a little rainbow. So we're going to take number 4, which is the red shade, number 12, which is a glittery gold, number 7, which is a lime green, and number 8, which is a blue. So I go ahead and cleanse my ring finger. This is the finger I'm going to do a rainbow on. We're just going to do a 4-layered rainbow. So we're going to do red, gold, green, and blue. And I just alternate through my colors and use the tip of the brush to draw on a little rainbow. Next, we're going to go in with this 4-leaf clover glitter box. This one's from Jelly Nails as well. And we're going to take the dark green holographic shamrock glitters, and I just put a little bit of top coat on my middle nail, and I just placed 4 clovers on my nail, kind of alternating which side. And now it's time for top coat. I will be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And for these 4-leaf clover glitters, they are pretty flat. I just double check before I cure my top coat that everything is covered under the top coat. Here is how my St. Patrick's Day design came out. I think they came out super cute. I personally do not celebrate St. Patrick's Day. I am from New Mexico, so we don't really celebrate that here, but I like it in the spirit. Let me know down below if you guys celebrate St. Patrick's Day and what you do for this holiday. I would love to know. And since I don't celebrate it, that's another reason I kind of kept this design toned down. It's definitely in spirit. We have the green nails, we have the shamrock, we have the rainbow, just something super simple and cute. And really anyone can do this design at home. It's that easy. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my holiday themed nail art. And make sure you are subscribed for more tutorials coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!